Hi everyone, this is my new kitty cat, Sylvie. Look at the camera. Her name is Sylvia. You see Sylvie? You see the camera? She's our new kitty. When QZ died in August, I was so sad. And then finally, we have a new kitty and she's just as sweet and she lets me hold her longer and she also lets me hold her like a baby. And baby J loves her too. Should we start doing the video now? Should we do the video? She'll probably let me hold her like this the whole time. Today we are gonna talk about salads. I don't have any food on the counter right now because I'm holding a cat and we don't wanna get cat hair everywhere in the food, but we are gonna make some salads because it's summertime and it is hot and everybody wants a salad. So let's talk about my favorite salads that I think you should make right now. Right, Sylvie? She's so chill. I'm gonna put you down, sweet girl. Oh, hey! Before we continue, do you need new recipe ideas? Sign up for my newsletter. It's free. You'll be the first to get recipes, meal plans, exclusive content, and more. Sign up at sweetpotatosoul.com. I never thought I liked niçoise salads because it has egg and tuna fish and oof, until I had a vegan version. And I've created my own vegan niçoise salad that is incredible. It is filling, it is colorful, it is beautiful, and it is absolutely delicious. Instead of using tuna and egg, I use chickpeas and marinated artichoke hearts. It is full of flavor and so nutritious. This salad can be made in advance and enjoyed throughout the week, so it is perfect for meal prep. Just make sure not to mix all of the ingredients with the romaine and the radicchio plus the dressing until you are ready to eat it. But prep everything in advance so you can enjoy this. Because this salad is so colorful and beautiful, I think it's also great for summer barbecues and cookouts and all the fun entertaining you're sure to do this summer. The next salad is a mango guacamole salad. This is a twofer, guys. You're making this delicious and creamy mango guacamole, and then you use it as the dressing for this crunchy, colorful salad. Instead of making a separate vinaigrette, you just massage the kale and red cabbage and carrots in the guacamole. It is so tasty, and then you can toss it with black beans and call it a day. You have a beautiful, colorful, filling salad. You can make it even more filling by adding quinoa or chewy farro or any other delicious whole grain, and you can have it as a side salad or it could be the main affair, whatever floats your boat. But this salad is so good because it's got that creamy avocado plus the tanginess from the lime in the guacamole and the subtle sweetness from the fresh mango. Oh, it's so good. Make this one all summer long. I have talked about this salad for years. This recipe is in my cookbook. It is the kale Caesar salad, and the delicious Caesar dressing is made with sunflower seeds. You guys, this is probably my favorite salad of all time. The dressing is so full of flavor and it has the best texture. Plus, it's super nutritious because it's made with sunflower seeds and other wholesome ingredients. This salad is made even more delicious with the addition of crispy chickpeas. They're so easy to make. You can make them in the air fryer or the oven, and they're separately spiced. So when you add them to the salad, they add even more flavor. Every bit of this salad is nutritious and will make you feel so good with every bite. This seasonal kale salad can be eaten any time of year. Just swap out some of the base ingredients. For example, since it's summertime, I might add some sliced fresh peaches in here or maybe grilled pineapple, but this is basically my typical everyday kale salad with a little bit extra flair. This salad is made with kale, red cabbage, and an incredible pomegranate vinaigrette. Now I know pomegranate isn't necessarily the flavor of summer and they're not in season in the summer. However, it is made with pomegranate molasses and lime juice, which are available all year round, and just add the perfect tanginess to this salad. So you can eat it any time of year, but I especially love it right now in summer when I want something crunchy and colorful with a little bit of tang and so much flavor. This salad also has radicchio, which is a bitter green. It is super nutritious, but a lot of people don't like that bitterness of it. So if you don't like it, that's okay. You can replace it with red cabbage or romaine. It also has fennel, which is one of my favorite ingredients. Fennel has an anise, almost licorice flavor that could be an acquired taste if you've never had it, but I think it is so delicious. It helps to balance out all the flavors, but elevate this salad to the next level. It is so good, it is so crunchy. Definitely give this one a try. We have been talking about green salads, but what about bean salads? I love bean salads because they are so filling. You can take them to a party or a cookout and everybody's happy. And I've got 2 bean salads that I think you should definitely give a try this summer. My first bean salad is this peach white bean salad. It is made with fresh Georgia peaches, though they don't have to be from Georgia, any peaches. To make it, white beans are tossed with tomatoes and fresh peaches in a peach miso dressing. The flavor is like next level. It's savory, it's umami because of the miso, but it's also got the perfect subtle balance of sweetness from the fresh peaches. This salad will impress your guests and it is perfect for meal prep. The next recipe is a Harlem Caviar, which is a black-eyed pea salad with my little spin on it. So yummy, made with black-eyed peas. You can make them fresh or you can get them from the can and you mix them with celery and this amazing herby dressing. And it is so insanely easy to make. This one is great for a crowd, it's perfect for meal prep, and it's made with nutritious ingredients. So with every bite, you know you're doing something good for your body. So there you have my favorite salads for summer. I hope you give them all a try. All the recipes are on my blog, sweetpotatosoul.com, and we'll leave links to them all in the description box down below. Give them a try, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye. How's that?
Beautiful.
Ah, I did so good. I do better with you here.